here I am doing a Stitch Fix unboxing for you. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, it is a styling fee. I have a referral code below, so if you want to try Stitch Fix free for your styling fee, you won't have to pay that for your first box. I have a referral code down below, so click on that and then you'll get your first Stitch Fix box styling fee waived. So let's get into the box. I haven't opened it yet. Feels kind of light, so we'll see. Let's get into it. Here we go. So I asked for like sandals and no jeans because I have like 500 pairs of jeans and I don't need jeans. So here's the box. Here we go. So here's your return bag. Looks like a pair of sandals or shoes. And then here's my bundle. And here is my price sheets and my styling card. Okay, so let's get into it. Let's see here. I just want to check and see if my stylist is still the same. If it's Kimberly. Yep, it's Kimberly again. I don't want to look at the card because I don't want to see what's in my box yet. And then here is, let's put that over there, your price sheet here. I'm not going to look at this. I just want to see it's my fix number 8. So it's my first one of March. I'm super excited. So let's get into it. Let's see what's in this box, or this bag. It's really cute. So it looks like a pair of sandals. Okay. So these are the sandals. They're cute, but they're just not my style. So let's see how much they are. I don't want to see the total box price. So there's Steve Madden, Dina leather sandal in cognac size 8, and they're $59. All right, so I'll just keep this here. They're cute. I'm probably not even gonna try these on because they're just not my style at all. If they were in black, probably, but no, I don't really like them. So I'm gonna put them back in the bag. All right, so next is the bundle. I see some red, blue, some baby pink in here. So let's see. Okay. Oh, so this is cute. This is a baby pink top. I actually just purchased something like this from Target, and it's black. And I got it for like $11. So that's cute. Let's see what it's called. And it is the 14th Place Kathleen Lace Overlay Blouse in a size extra small in blush. And it's $46. Okay, next is this cute little tank, and it has a little knot here on the side, and this is the Market and Spruce side split knit top. So side split knit top in extra small, and oh gosh, $44 for that one. Next is this top here, and it is the Gold Ray Lodge Faux Wrap Blouse in extra small, and it's $48. I don't know. I'm not really liking this. Next is this green top. I've seen other people get this in like pink. And it has embroidery sleeves on the side. It's green. It looks blue in the video, but it's green. Let's see. It is the Market and Spruce embroidery sleeve blouse in extra small, and it's $58. Okay, well that's my box. First impressions, I don't know what I would keep. The blouse is really cute, and the blush one, the first blouse. So let's try everything on and then see what it is. But let me tell you the price of the total of the box. It's really not that bad. So the total is $255. Buy all's discount is $63.75. Order subtotals $255 minus the 20. So the total for the box is $171. That's really not that bad, but considering I'm really not impressed, I might try the sandals on just for giggles. I might actually end up keeping those because they're probably the best bet for $59. So let's try everything on and stay tuned. I'm going to show you the sandals. They're cute on. Don't mind that I need a pedicure. So just let's see. So here are the sandals. They're cute. They're just like plain. They go good with my jeans that I have on. So here they are. Let me know in the comments what you think. But here they are. They're kind of cute. Here's the first top. It's the embroidered top. It's cute. I just don't like how it like sits right here. It's nice. It's coming off blue in my camera, but it's green, like St. Patrick's Day green. It's cute, but I just don't think it's my style. It ages me a little bit, but let's try on the next thing. Is the pink blouse. It's really cute right here. It has a zipper in the back. It fits me like perfectly. But I don't know. It's just not my style. I don't know. It's cute, but not me. Next is this top in the blush. It's really cute, but only thing is, it's like really baggy right here. I don't know, like nothing's fitting right today. It looks really adorable with this, but it's just huge. Like it just nothing is like fitting correctly. If it was a little bit tighter, it would look really cute, but it's just like so much extra material. I do love the design and the lace, but I don't know. It's just not me. This is the tank top. It's really cute. I love the little, you know, tie here. You can tie it, or also you can let it loose. But yeah, I mean, this is the top. I think it's really cute. I don't know how much it is. I'll have to look. But yeah, I mean, it fits nicely. But it is a little short. I mean, I don't know. I could find a top like this somewhere else. So what I'm leaning towards, I don't know. I might keep the sandals. Guys, let me know what you think. But this top is probably a no-go. I think it's like $48. But I don't know. It kind of looks cute like this. But I can find a top like this anywhere. I'm not sure. Please let me know in the comments what to keep because I'm going to be sending it back probably tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And please like and subscribe. And I do these unboxings a couple times a month. So if you want to keep seeing it, please let me know. I have referral codes down below. If you refer, that helps me, you know, do more Stitchfix boxes. And I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day. Bye.